Hello today viewers, and for you I have another eBay purchase. This is another lot of world coins, and I paid $19.42 for this lot. So let's open it up. Okay, they may have put too much tape on it for the letter opener. Jeez. Making sure nobody ever gets it open, aren't you? Well, isn't that interesting? Wrapping paper. Okay, we got something a bit stronger to open up that Scotch tape, or packing tape, or whatever it is. Wow. Trying not to get close to my finger with that, knowing how clumsy I am. Okay, I don't think there's anything else for it. We're just going to have to cut through that. Okay. And there we go. I'm really curious what this piece of music is, since it's not labeled at all, doesn't have any words. Very interesting. Okay, I have for you laid out all of the coins in this collection, and I have them separated out by country. On the top row there, you'll see the most valuable coins in the collection. Okay, this first coin here is a Morocco for Phallus 1871 coin. It's worth approximately $35. And the next one here is actually not a coin. This is a victory token from Algeria when it was a French colony. From 1857, it's worth $25. Next coin in the row here is the Indian princely state of Baroda, and this is from 1949. This coin is worth approximately $18. The next coin we have here is an Egypt 1/40th Kirsch 1905 coin. It's worth $2.50. This next coin here is a Belgium 50 centimes from 1886. And this coin, by the way, is 83.5% silver. It is worth $45. And if you remember the last episode with the Belgium 2 franc coin from around that era, has a picture of King Leopold on it again. This is a Thailand 1 at coin from 1883. It is worth $15. Okay, that's all the coins in the first row. Now for the second row right here. This first coin is a Jordanian 100 fils coin from 1949. Next coin is a French 1 franc coin from 1948. The next one is going to be a French 10 francs coin from 1986. Next one is going to be a 1 centimes. In fact, the next two coins are 1 centimes coins. The first one's from 1962, next one's from 1968. The next coin over here in this group, these are all Spanish coins, the next four. The first one is a 25 pesetas from 1996, a 10 pesetas from 1983, a 5 pesetas from 1999, and a 5 pesetas from 1997. I'm going to zoom in on these two coins. They have a really nice pattern. Apparently autofocus isn't going to let me get any closer. Now we're going to start on the bottom row, and in the bottom row we have a German 1 mark coin from 1967. Next coin is going to be a 50 Pfennig coin from 1950, then a 10 Pfennig coin, also from 1950, a 1 Pfennig coin from 1983. And then the next coin there is going to be a United Kingdom 5 pence from 1990. Then we have an Irish 20 pence coin from 1988. And then the last 3 coins are all Netherlands coins. A 25-cent coin from 1990, 10 cents from 1950, and a 10 cents from 1972. So that completes all the coins we have in this collection. And I really bought this coin lot mainly for the coins that are on the top row there, especially the Indian Princely States of Baroda. And the Morocco Forfalis coin from 1871, as well as the Thailand 1 at coin from 1883. Those are all very nice looking coins, and not coins that I had already in my collection. So, at the end here I'll put a whole list and give you the whole value of what was spent and what they're worth. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.